Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast in Key West, Florida. This is the historic Seaport Harbor Walk, recording at the beginning of March 2025, passing the A&B Lobster House, Alonzo's Oyster Bar. It is a bit windy in this section, so hopefully the audio is all right. Otherwise, I'm going to have to redo. The yachts on this side is a restaurant with some sort of walls here. Tarpon feeding, 4 p.m. Please do not feed the birds. They really don't want you to do that. Pigeons and roosters crossed out. They're advertising parasail, book with Sunset Water Sports. Various restaurants ahead. The Harbor Walk continues. Alonzo's patio bar and cocktails. See various menus. On the side, outdoor seating. Getting the 360 view with the Insta360 X4 camera. On this Belmar or Belmare, coastal Italian fine dining. $47 for piccata. Fine dining just means it's pricier and probably not worth it. White Tarpon restaurant and bar. The Key Lime Martini here in Key West. Conch Seafood Company. Fish Monster and Island Jane. Lots of restaurants on the side and some surfboards. More of the Marina area, including the Fish Monster boat and various items feed the fish. Historic Seaport Harbor Walk. Restaurants, bars, shopping, Elizabeth Street, restrooms, and more. More of the birds and pigeons. Tall ship sailing. Join us for sunset sail and many of the boats. Fury Island Adventure. Reef Relief Environmental Center. Interactive coral reef exhibits. Passing through now off the Marina area, more on ground. Lots to see here for sure. Captain's Corner. It's a really cool area here in Key West, Florida. I'm coming off the Celebrity Silhouette cruise ship. On this side, a monument for Norberg Thompson. And more areas. Fisherman's Cafe. And Key West Sabago Water Sports. Lots of stickers on the side. Up ahead, fresh fish and shrimp and more rooster imagery. Yours and Mayan shop. Dragonfly imports. So a lot of shops on this end off of the Marina District. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast signing off. Key West, Florida. Stay tuned for more content.